Hi everyone, in a new video. Today I want to make something a little bit different, which is how to make almond milk at home. I know that some countries, they don't have almond milk available in the market, or sometimes it's very expensive to get it. One of the reasons that I make almond milk at home, or I start to make it at home, because I realized that the ingredients is not that really healthy like people think. So basically, if you go to the grocery store and you try to pick up your most healthier almond milk, and you try to read the ingredients, you'll find even stuff there is not even, you cannot pronounce them. And plus they put preservatives, they put, kind of thicker, so they make the almond milk thicker than it should be with minimal almond they can use. Just, they are profit, right? They want to increase or maximize their profits. That's why they try to put like little almond and put more stuff. They don't really, it's not good for you. I found I started doing almond milk probably a month ago, which is really pretty easy, and you don't need too much things to do it. So we'll start with almond. You can pick up your favorite almond. I pick this one from Costco. So just make sure don't buy salted or anything other than the raw. You can pick up whatever. I think at Costco they have another one. It's organic, but it doesn't really matter if it's organic as long as it's fresh and it's really good quality. I tried this before. It's really good quality and nice product. As you can see here, it's 9 cups. So probably we are using for this recipe, we are using 2 cups. This is half cup. So the half cup is like this. So you will need 4 of this, or if you have like the full cup, you can also use 2. What you need to do before you do your almond milk, you have to soak it in water. So you measure 4 cups of those, and you soak it in water. And basically the water is going to, you soak it for about minimum 4 hours. But if you can make it like overnight, that will be great. If you, sometimes I leave it for 2 days. It doesn't matter, right? As long as you don't keep it for 1 week, But 2 days max should be good. Why you need to have the almond? Why you need to soak the almond milk? You need to soak it because if you soak it, you will have more creamy almond milk. But if you just take it straight from the bag and you put it, I don't think you will get like creamy almond milks. So this one, I already soak it in the water for about 5 hours, 6 hours today. And as you can see, it's become larger. So if you go here, if we open this one, you see if it's, yeah. So what we have to do now, we have to just drain it. So put it in the strainer. Go in the strainer here. You can see. And I will take the blenders. So take the blenders. And before we put the blender, so for my blenders, and this is because I already make it a few times, but I think for 2 cups of almond, I think maybe you will need probably 4 cups of water, or maybe 5. But it's also if you like it to be thicker, you can reduce the amount of water. If you like to be a little lighter, you can make it also a little lighter with adding more water. But I know that some people, they like to put almond milk on coffee. They want thicker, so maybe you can add like 3 cups of water. But it's already, you can add more water if you want to use it for smoothie, or you want to use it for your cereal, stuff like that. So I will add filter water. This is not tap water, this is filter water. So make sure you don't add tap water, which is not good really. If you don't have like filters like this, you can add like those bottled water as well, which is good. See, like, yeah, it should be like that. Okay. One thing I want to tell you, don't really oh, my cat is here. One thing I want to make sure, when you blend the almond, don't blend it too long. I mean, max about 2 minutes. And also, I know that some people, they like to put other flavor, like for example vanilla. So I put vanilla. I don't put vanilla right away, but I just mix the almond first, and after 2 minutes I will stop the blender and I will put some vanilla extract, and I will blend it for about another half minute. So we'll see what will happen. Okay, well, make sure, okay guys, make sure that this one is closed, because if it's not closed, you will have too much mess. Okay. Okay, so now when I open it, I will add some vanilla extract, which is probably, I know that maybe 1 spoon or maybe 2. It's up to you, right? Vanilla is good, and it's healthy, and it's also some people also, they like to put some sweetener. I don't put any sweetener because I want to control whatever I want to make. Sometimes I put it in the smoothie, so I don't need to put more sugar. So it's up to you. And after that, we'll just make it again. That's it. Now this is the I can't talk about this. This is the part I really it's a messy part, but it must be, because you cannot drink, or if you want to use this one straight from here to smoothie, you can do it as well, because you will mix it with fruits, stuff like that. But if you want really nice silky almond milk, you have to drain it, and you have to use like strainer, which is something like this, right? Remember those? Yeah, I bought this one from Amazon. I can put the link on description, but it's it will take all the bulb here, and basically it will take all the almond juice down. So before I do that, just because we are clean, right? So I want to make sure I will just wear my gloves like that. Okay. Just make sure, guys, you are always clean. Yeah, stay clean. Yeah. So, bring something else. Probably be nice to have. And this is just to put the bulb if I need to. Sometimes I want to transfer stuff, but we'll see. So we'll remove this one, and we will start to put this one here. Maybe I need some help, but anyway, just put this one like that. You can see milk, almond milk, and I will basically make this one like that, and I will wash this one. I will tell you why, but it's up to you. But this is what I do. I'll just wash this, just quick rinse, right? Don't have to be like super clean, because this one I will use it to put it in smaller stuff, so I don't have to make things messy. And let's see, from even before I start, you start see the almond milk start to show up, right? So what we have to do, we have to just, like we are milking a cow. Yeah, but this is not a cow, it's almond cow. Just kidding. And you know that why I'm wearing gloves now, because if you use your hand and somebody see you, probably you will not drink this one if you are using your bare hand, right? So better to be clean and let people know that you take all the procedures to produce healthy food for them, especially now with the virus, coronavirus. Everybody now is paranoid, and nobody wants to even shake hands. By the way, in Canada, it's not common for people to shake hands. They always shake hands here if they are making a deal or something. But when people meet each other, it's not like, us in back home in Egypt or other Arab countries. When they meet each other, they just hug each other, and here's no. Here when somebody like if somebody hug somebody like man to man, it's like looks weird. You know what I mean, right? Anyway, start to see a lot of milk or almond milk. I will tell you something after I am done with that. See, I have to make it very I will tell you something very interesting about what's in here as well. You know about do you hear about the almond flour, right? Yeah. So almond flour is very healthy, and healthier than even wheat flour and bread and stuff like that. So you can take this bulb and you can actually making some bakery with this. You can make cookies, you can mix it with anything, and I will show you how it looks like after I'm done with. Okay, so let's open this one, and this is the reason I brought this. We'll open this, see what's inside. See, this is what's inside. It's like flour, wet flour. And with this one, what I do, I will try to make cookies in another video, and I will show you how I will make cookies with this one. Very easy, and also you don't have to waste anything, right? Because almond is, in some countries, it's very expensive stuff, right? Let's do that. So this is what I keep my almond. So what I will do, I'll just take the rest of the almond. So this is the one I have it from last time, 2 days ago, right? I will just keep it here. But to put the things here is a little bit tricky. So if I do it, I will waste a lot. So what I do, I take this one like that, and I just put the things. I don't need this one anymore. And I will add this one here. And now we have a nice almond milk. You can enjoy, depends how you like it. You can enjoy it in 2 days, 3 days. You can keep this one in the fridge for max about 1 week, So that's why the almond milk which you buy from the grocery, it stay for a month or 2 months because it has preservatives. But this one, because it's fresh, it doesn't really stay long time. But after 1 week, it will be okay. So what I recommend, if you are really a drinker of almond milk, do your own almond milk, and I think you will be happy that you do something yourself. Okay? Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you again in another video. And don't forget, I will make video about making cookies with this leftover from the almond milk. Bye.